Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to copy and paste on HP ProBook 635. So we'll open a browser and I'll type something, then select it, and the first option is to click Ctrl and C. And now when I click Ctrl and V, it is paste. And the second option is once again select it, right click on it and copy, then right click and paste. It works with text but also with files. So do I have something in here? I have random image, then right click, copy, right click, paste. It works, but also Ctrl C and Ctrl V. That's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.